So welcome to your Infotech channel. So last class we had discussed about Bootstrap 5 containers. So in this session I would like to explain Bootstrap grid basics. Okay, so grid basic. So Bootstrap is built with mainly the flex box. Okay, so it allows the screen 12 columns across the page. So we have a 12 span of spaces. So we can divide it in 12 like two equal parts, 12 equal parts, three equal parts, four equal parts, okay, and two unequal parts like this. So across the screen, we have it 12 spaces. So we can divide it based upon this grid, okay, and we have a grid classes available, okay. So like we have column. So call is a class. It is a extra small devices. It allows like the screen size is less than or equal to 576 pixels, okay, and call sm, okay. So call sm is a small devices such as it is equal or greater than equal to 576 pixels, okay. So in css we have a concept is called media queries. So in the media queries we have a like breakpoints is there. So such as so we use generally we use mobiles, we use tablets, we use desktop, we use laptops. So each device is having some specific bit we have, okay. Suppose we can take mobile. Mobile is less than 576 pixels, like width of the mobile is like 400 like this, okay. So we have some set of breakpoints is like we have 576 and we have 768 pixels, we have 982 pixels, we have a 1200 pixels, we have a 1400 pixels. So based upon the screen sizes the grid classes will be divided, okay. So next is call md. Call md is a medium screen devices which is equal to or greater than 768 pixels, okay. So along with we have a call lg is there, okay. So it is a large devices. The screen width is equal greater than 900 pixels. And next is a call xl, okay. It is used for extra small devices, sorry, extra large devices. It is equal greater than or equal to 1200 in Bootstrap 5. So this was introduced like call double xl, okay, double xl. So it is a extra large devices. Screen is equal or greater than or equal to 1400. Like we have a tvs is there, right? For tvs and large desktops, so we use this call double xl, okay. So these are the grid classes, okay. Using these grid classes, so we can build a grid system, okay. So I'll show also how to create this a grid, okay. Let me go to this, create new file. Let me go to this Visual Studio. Here I just create a new file, okay. We can save the file with a grid grid.html, or we can save with this grid1.html. Let me write the code. So grid example. So I'm setting this bs link. So I can take your a link tag, css, bootstrap.min.css file. Bootstrap.min.css. So this is a BS file link. Okay. Now we have the grid classes is there. Okay. Using this grid classes, we can create the grid system. Okay. So first of all, let me take here some more IBR for space. Okay. So I'm taking some container. Okay. So inside of container, I'll create a row here. Okay. So inside of row, let me create here a grid system. So the grid will be start like this. Grid, sorry, a grid. So I'm just giving here like first I'll take here. Okay, two equal parts. Two equal parts. Okay. For creating these two equal parts, I told you that we have a 12 span spaces. So we need to divide it into two equal parts. So first I'm taking here call. So this is a desktop, this is a laptop, right? So I'm taking here a call LG6. Okay. So my screen is okay greater than 1200 pixels. Can I use call Excel extra large devices? Okay. So it is a greater than 400 pixels, right? So I'm taking here and I call Excel. It's a extra large devices, whether you can use LG or Excel. Okay, so both are working fine. So I'm taking here call Excel 6. Okay, so call Excel 6. So this means that okay in the browser, okay, in extra large devices I need a six column space I need. Okay, so I'm telling the browser that this will tell the browser I need a 6 column space. So that is that we will write here column extra large devices 6 spaces. Okay, and here so I want to apply some styles for this grid system. So that so I'm creating a custom a div like I'm creating a custom a div for for better for better example. Okay, so here I'm just giving one name is called custom div. Okay, so I'm creating one div here, and inside I'm just placing some text that is that you can write here like grade, so grid 1. Okay, so same thing. Okay, same we can copy this one. Okay, I'm just copying this call Excel. Okay, in above the row I'm taking here and has two. I'm just writing here two equal parts, two equal parts. Okay, so here also I'm taking here one more call Excel 6. This is a grid 2. Okay, so I'm creating grid 1 and grid 2. Let me run this one on the browser. Right click opening default browser. Okay, so here we go. So we are setting here grid 1 and grid 2. Now I'm going to apply some styles for this custom. Okay, so in the head section create a style tag. Okay, now I'm taking this class name, trying to copy this class name. I can paste it here. Now I'm setting some CSS for this. Okay, first I'm setting some sorry, first I'm setting here min height. Okay, so minimum height is required. So I need minimum height 200 pixels for this grid. Okay, and we will place some width here. Okay, so if you want you can apply this or else you can remove this one. So minimum height is required, it is okay for that. Okay, it obviously it will be the auto. Okay, and now I'm setting some background color. Okay, so here blue violet. Okay, and I'm setting some color for the text, color white. Okay, and also I'm setting some font size, so it make the font as a bigger size, like I'm giving here 20 pixels. And also I'm making this text as a center position using this text align property. You just make this center, or we will use this typography. Okay, in another chapter we have a typography, so in that we will discuss some text properties. So I can directly write the class name itself. It makes the text as a center position. Okay, now we're just applying some CSS for this custom div. Let me go to this Visual Studio. Just refresh this one. Okay, so there we go. Now we just apply here grid 1 and grid 2. Okay, so these are two equal parts. Now the same thing, I want to divide this one into three equal parts. Okay, so for this three equal parts, so you click on this row here, the row will be ended, and again we need to start one more row here. Okay, so this is three equal parts. Three equal parts. Okay, for three equal parts, you can create row here. Okay, the same thing. I'm just copying this one. See, I'm just copying this entire grid column. Okay, and I'm going to enter here. Okay, grid 1. Okay, and this is grid 2, grid 2, and I'm going to enter here grid 3. Okay, this is a grid 3. Now we need to change these columns here. Now we have a total 12 spaces, right? So in this 12 spaces, I need to divide it into three equal parts. In 12, we have a three equal parts means 4, 4, 4. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So that, so here, instead of 6, sorry, we can make it here, call Excel 4. Okay, now let me go to this browser here. Here, I want to change the color also. Okay, I need to change this color so that I'll make it here hyphen 2. So this is I'm just adding one more class for this. Okay, and for this item 2, this one also item 2. Sorry. Okay, so for this you can take here a group selector and add custom div 2. Okay, so here I'm taking custom div. I'm just giving some hinter. I'm just cutting this background color. I just cut this background color. I'll paste it here. Okay, similarly, let me take your custom div 2 and just make into background color. Okay, like you can apply here some green color. Okay, choose this one, just make it 2. Okay, now let me go to this browser once. Let's reload this page. Okay, and go to this one. Yeah, we need to change this. Okay, so now let's go to this, just reload this. Now I'll place here at 3 equal parts. Another one, I need to make it 4 equal parts. Okay, for 4 equal parts, again you can click on this one, so it will be end here. I'll make it to shorthand. Okay, and just taking the h3. So here I'm just taking it to 4 equal parts. For 4 equal parts, for 12 for equal parts in the sense 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. Okay, again we need to take here and row. Okay, inside of row, I'll just paste it. Sorry, instead of row, I need to place this entire grid system. Okay, let me copy this here. Okay, or else do one thing. I'll copy entire here. Okay, up to 3. We can paste it here. Okay, now we'll change this one 3 and custom div 3. So here also let me take here 3 and call Excel 3, and here also 3, and let's make it to 3. Okay, similarly, let me copy this. So I just removing this one. This is okay. Let me copy this. I can paste it here 3, and this is a grid 4. Okay, I can go here, just add the group selector, custom div 3, and let me apply some CS. Custom div 3, and here we go. So we can apply some background color, white color. So make it here, make it okay. Now go to this browser here, just make it 2 for equal parts. Like this, we can create a grid system here. Okay, so in another class, we'll create a wonders with this grid system.